Are you a distracted reader? If so, then you may want to try viewing your lesson in text mode. Text mode removes decorative images and left justifies the text on the document. Images without alt tags are not shown in this view. The text mode tool is located on the lower toolbar of ReadSpeaker webReader. Notice that you can play, pause, or stop the reading. Let's listen to part of our document.
Each person has different learning preferences.
You can also increase the font size by clicking on the A+, and decrease the font size by clicking on the A-. You can increase or decrease the volume by sliding the marker to the right or left. You can also increase or decrease the reading speed by sliding the marker on the slide bar to the right or left. You have an icon with a capital A, a lowercase a, and a gear on it. This is the text settings tool. You can change the font size, font, background color, and spacing between the letters or characters. Changes made to the text settings only appear in the text view of the document. Let's use a +3 font size, Comic Sans as the font, black on light pink for the text colors, and normal as the spacing. Now you see the document in text mode with these settings. If you are a distracted reader, or need a different text and background color from the standard black text on a white background, or need a different font, or text setting, then you will want to try viewing your document in this mode.